Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to walk you through how to check data usage per app on your Android device. Whether you're trying to figure out which app is eating up your data or just want to keep track of your usage, this guide has got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, unlock your Android device and open the Settings app. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the option called Mobile Data or Network and Internet. Tap on that. Scroll down, you might see an option called Data Usage. And tap Wi-Fi Data Usage. Here, you'll see an overview of your data usage. This will show you a list of all the apps on your device and how much data they've consumed over a specific period. And that's it. Now you know how to check data usage per app on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.